We're here at the Iloilo Airport. We are bound for Cagayan de Oro. So this is the setup of the airport here in Iloilo. Tingnan natin. Malinis din. Malaki din.
Any excess in weather size will be intercepted and time to return our destination. We will also request all passengers to please prepare and hold your valid IDs for presentation of standing. We will also request all passengers to please prepare and
Flying in to Laguindingan in Mindanao, no? Cagayan de Oro. So this is Iloilo City. No? Yan yung parang may flight doon sa kabila. This side, no? Parang Philippine Airlines na take off. But we're seeing parang 3 Cebu Pacific na flights. So here, ito yung facilities dito sa Iloilo. They have bakery, cafe, coffee break. Tingnan natin na area. They have also ano to, Lucy's na restaurant. So medyo sizable na rin for Mindanao standards. 10 o'clock yung boarding namin. Cagayan. Dito yung entrance. Again, we're here in Iloilo City. Flying in, going to Cagayan. Cebu Pacific. I think ito siguro. Here. No? Ito yung plane namin. Kasi we're in boarding gate 3. Okay. Dati bago pa to. Ngayon this needs improvement. May coffee shop din pala dito, no? Iwan coffee shop. Ayan, Cagayan. Yung flight.
At saka hindi na nabibili yung ating